Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode. As you all know, I'm a junior doctor training to become an orthopaedic surgeon, but on the side I also like a bit of tech and a bit of creativity. So here is what's in my everyday carry. I rock a stylish satchel from the Leather Satchel company based in Liverpool. This tends to draw a lot of attention at work, and people do stop to comment on how cool it looks. I can't take praise for it though, it was a present for my 33rd birthday. In the front right pocket, I like to keep some standard pens and marker pens for the purpose of writing in notes and marking limbs that need operations. I also have my trusty Earbuds from LG and Meridian. These come in a stylish matte black finish. They are really cool, and compared to the competition they come at a very reasonable price of £69. I have to say, they can be tricky to pair, especially when switching between devices. But overall, certainly good value for your money. In my front left pocket, I keep my work phone, which I generally only use when I'm on call, together with its charger. Next to that, I keep a rosary, which is close to my heart and helps me feel God's presence with me at work. I sometimes keep some hand cream in that pocket too. As you can imagine, being a doctor and washing your hands 1,000 times every day can take layers of your skin off. In the main compartment, keep my iPad, which is This is the 2019 iPad Air, which has been with me for almost 2 years now. I keep it in a nice, well-padded pouch, which is also home to my first generation Apple Pencil. I do also keep on the side a standard wired earphones, just in case I need them and I haven't got my earbuds handy. Now finally, this is the most used out of my everyday carry. It's my iPhone XR, 256 gigabytes of storage. Now this has been with me for over 2 years and I'm genuinely thinking about replacing it. I hope you've liked this video, and I will see you when I see you.